Hi everyone, this is Susie. Today I'm going to give you a little tour of my house plants and the names. Let's see, we got my peace lilies over here. And a photos hanging here. ZZ plant. Dracaena lemon and lime plant. Split leaf philodendron. I got them, they're being propagated right now. Got two in there. I'll go around the other side so you can see them. Monstera Deliciosa. Syngonium. This is the berry illusion, the arrowhead plants. And this is my other Syngonium, Glow. This one's in water being propagated. And this is my spider plant. And back here we got the emerald green Syngonium, arrowhead plants. Chinese evergreen, sparkling Sarah. Croton, Petra. And I have my bird nest fern back here. And split leaf philodendrons up here. I'm propagating these ones. These ones are big ones. Got two back here. Ponytail palm. And some more photos up here. And Brazil philodendron. And I have a Dieffenbachia dumpling plant. Dumpling plant. And this is just an overview of some of my house plants. Put them all together here so I could show them. And I also have a small aloe vera way in the back there. And another photos up here hanging. And I'll put some links below, like I said before, of some of the how to care for videos on some of these. This one I'll be doing a how to care for video soon. And I want to thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will answer them for you. Bye-bye for now.